In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website, all in just 5 minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you will be set up to track visitor interactions and enhance your advertising strategy on Facebook. To begin, let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the login page, and for your convenience, you may opt to continue with Google if that's how you've set up your Squarespace account. This method can make your login process faster and more secure. Once you're logged in, find and click on the website for which you want to add the Facebook pixel. This ensures that you're making changes in the correct account and working with the right domain. Next, you'll need to go to the settings section of your Squarespace site. Look for the settings option in the main menu, which is usually tucked away on the side or top, depending on your version of Squarespace. Here you'll be presented with a variety of options to manage various aspects of your website. The option we're interested in is marketing, so go ahead and click on that. Within the marketing section, you'll encounter several tools and settings that can help enhance your site's reach and effectiveness. For our purposes today, you'll want to locate and click on Meta, Pixel and Ads. This is the crucial section where we'll make the magic happen by integrating Facebook's powerful tracking capabilities with your Squarespace site. Once you're in the Meta, Pixel and Ads section, you'll be prompted to add your Facebook Pixel ID. It's important to have this ID ready, as it acts as the connection between your Squarespace website and the Facebook pixel. You may have already created this ID in your Facebook Business Manager. If not, you'll need to create one and keep it handy for this step. After entering your Facebook Pixel ID, you'll notice an option to copy and use the link to the Facebook Pixel. Copy this link as it will be essential in the next part of the process. You'll need to paste this link into the data feed URL field within Meta Business Manager. By doing this, you'll be able to create dynamic product ads on Meta, significantly improving your ability to target audiences and understand their interactions with your website. And that's all it takes. You've successfully added the Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website, paving the way for more insightful data and impactful advertising strategies. Remember, this process not only allows you to monitor visitor behavior, but also helps in crafting advertisements that resonate with your audience. Thank you for following along, and make sure your Facebook Pixel is working properly by checking it periodically. Happy marketing!